News starts right now.
Breaking news today. A date has officially been set for the recall election in Jackson County for County Executive Frank White. In a ruling, the judge set the election date for Tuesday, September 30th, a whole month after the initial August 26th date. Now, this comes after the judge heard arguments from multiple parties involved in a recall election lawsuit on Friday and was taking the weekend to make their decision. Residents collected more than 43,000 signatures to force the issue on the ballot. The people behind the recall say they want White out of office because of his mishandling of property taxes in the county. White says the vote is politically motivated.
I'm one of those 60,000 people who still haven't got our tax assessment figured out for 2023. This has nothing to do with the stadium. This is all to do with taxes. And
I just really want to see this end because we cannot afford every 2 years to have these huge tax assessments on our properties. People are going to lose their homes. Some people have already lost their homes.
The Jackson County Legislature approved an ordinance calling for the election to be initially held on August 26th to honor the county charter, but local election boards filed a lawsuit saying that's too soon and doesn't give them time to prepare and send out absentee ballots. White previously vetoed the ordinance that called for the recall election. At that time, White issued a statement saying in part, quote, "This ordinance is not just unlawful, but it's also fiscally reckless and a dangerous misuse of the democratic process. It forces our local election boards to break the law, waste taxpayer dollars, and invites chaos into how recalls are conducted in Jackson County." This new date selected will now give the election board just a little under 8 weeks to prepare for the election. We'll be sure to keep you updated as we learn more on today's ruling and heading into the special election next month here on KSHB 41.